2023 Pilot HMI and Technology. Key HMI and technology features. Standard 7-inch digital instrument display. All-new 10.2-inch all-digital LCD instrument display, Elite. New head-up display, Elite. Standard 7-inch color touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. 9-inch color touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. EXL, Trail Sport, Touring, Elite. New navigation system with smartphone integration. Qi-compatible wireless charging. EXL, Trail Sport, Touring, Elite. Bose premium sound system, Touring and Elite. Expanded Honda Link services include geo-tracking, stolen vehicle recovery, multi-view camera system, Trail Sport and Elite. Standard digital instrumentation. Intuitive, easy-to-use technology has been smartly integrated into Pilot's new modern cabin, including a digital instrument display, standard Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility, and an available, notably larger touchscreen. A standard 7-inch digital instrument panel features an all-digital tachometer on the left and a physical speedometer on the right side. The display also features user-selectable functions such as Honda sensing settings, vehicle information, and more. Exclusive to Elite is a configurable 10.2-inch customizable digital instrument display. The left side of the screen is dedicated to audio and telephone information, which the driver can select using the left side steering wheel controls. The right side is dedicated to driving-related information, such as trip odometer and fuel level readout. Vehicle functions like speed and engine RPM can be viewed in round or bar displays, depending on driver preference. A minimal look is also available that eliminates the speedometer and tachometer while leaving the advanced driver assistance system contents and current speed in the center of the screen. Rear-view camera and multi-view camera system. A wide-angle rear-view camera is standard on the 2023 Pilot. Its enlarged wide-view format significantly expands the driver's rearward visibility when the camera is in use, increasing convenience and peace of mind. A rear-view camera washer feature is standard and activated using the rear window washer switch on the wiper stalk. On Trail Sport and Elite models, for exterior cameras provide a 360-degree view of the space immediately around the vehicle through the central display. A front camera washer is also included and activated using the front windshield washer switch on the wiper stalk. A camera button conveniently located on the end of the windshield wiper stalk changes camera views. New head-up display. Standard on Pilot Elite is a new 4-inch color head-up display, which projects a broad range of information on the lower portion of the windshield directly in front of the driver. The driver can adjust the location of the projection up and down, or turn off the system via a menu in the digital instrument display. Display modes can be selected by a steering wheel-mounted thumb dial. They include speed only, navigation directions plus speed, adaptive cruise control, ACC, and lane keeping assist system, LKDS, plus speed, pop-up warnings, and phone call info. Improved 7-inch touchscreen audio system. A new 7-inch color touchscreen audio system is standard on LX and Sport with physical knobs for volume and tuning, and a simplified menu structure. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility are standard. The audio system features 7 speakers, 1 in each door, a tweeter in each A-pillar, and an 8-inch subwoofer in the cargo area. New 9-inch touchscreen audio system. EXL trims and above get a larger 9-inch color touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility and a faster processor for greater performance. Pilot's navigation system also has been simplified with new graphics and fewer menus. To make it easier to use when the vehicle is in motion, the screen is recessed slightly from the edge of the dash, resulting in a 0.8-inch finger rest that allows the user to steady their hand while making selections. Designed with simplicity in mind, the 9-inch system features user-defined shortcuts at the bottom of the screen, offering 6 easily programmable shortcuts, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, activated through a subscription, and smart shortcuts, an automatic assistant function that enables the user to execute frequently used actions quicker and with fewer steps. EXL and Trail Sport models feature a 9-speaker stereo with 2 additional tweeters in the rear doors. Expanded device charging. A large multi-use tray ahead of the shifter includes two standard illuminated USB ports, a 2.5 a USB-A port and 3.0 a USB-C port. 4 second-row passengers, two 2.5 a USB-A charging ports are standard. EXL, Trail Sport, Touring, and Elite feature Qi-compatible wireless charging and add two 2.5 a USB-A charging ports in the third row. Concert-quality Bose audio. Pilot, Touring, and Elite models feature a Bose premium sound system, the first use of a branded audio system in Pilot. Featuring Bose Centerpoint technology, the new system was custom-engineered precisely for the new Pilot interior to deliver a clear and impactful listening experience for all occupants. Bose audio engineers developed the sound system with advanced components and technologies, working closely with Honda to integrate the system early in the vehicle design process to achieve optimal performance. Crisp sound is delivered through 12 high-performance Bose speakers, strategically placed throughout the Pilot cabin for exceptional music reproduction across all frequencies, low to high. The new system places all passengers in the middle of the music, regardless of their seating position, with a clear listening experience. Helping to preserve the quality of the listening experience, dynamic speed compensation technology automatically adjusts volume and tone based on vehicle speed, reducing the need for drivers to manually adjust settings while on the road. Enhanced navigation. Standard on Touring and Elite, Pilot's navigation system has been thoroughly redesigned with an updated and easier-to-read map, simplified access to frequently used controls, and improved smartphone integration. An improved 3D mode clearly shows objects such as buildings for easier navigation by landmarks. The display also uses more vibrant colors, and one-touch operation was added for frequently used functions such as route cancellation and muting navigation guidance. The system also can learn frequently used routes and, by using continuously updated traffic information from a user's smartphone, can suggest alternate routes even if navigation guidance isn't currently active. In addition, the new system will receive map updates 4 times a year, as opposed to once a year. Honda Link cloud-based services. The 2023 Pilot, Touring, and Elite feature a new and advanced generation of the cloud-based Honda Link connected car system. Honda Link is designed to keep Pilot owners informed and connected while on the go. Through the Honda Link mobile app, owners have access to features and capabilities that include remote locking/unlocking and remote engine start, vehicle's last park location, stolen vehicle locator, remote diagnostics, geofencing, speed alert, and more. Additionally, Pilot owners can use the Honda Link skill for Alexa inside the home for remote voice control of vehicle functions such as remote start, locking and unlocking the doors, and more. Additionally, Pilot owners can use the Honda Link skill for Alexa inside the home for remote voice control of vehicle functions such as remote start, locking and unlocking the doors, and more. This subscription-based system allows Pilot owners to access a range of features and functionality including remote engine start with status, remote door lock/unlock with status, remote find my car, remote stolen vehicle tracking, remote fuel and range status, remote tire pressure monitor system, TPMS, status, speed alert, geofencing. 2023 Pilot powertrain. Key powertrain features. All-new DOHC 3.5-liter V6 engine. The most powerful Honda V6 ever offered in the US market. Responsive 10-speed automatic transmission tuned exclusively for Pilot. Second-generation torque vectoring I VTM 4 all-wheel drive system. New trail mode and retuned sand mode enhance Pilot's off-road capabilities. New standard tow mode improves towing experience. Robust 5,000-pound towing capability. Pilot first hill descent control. More power and refinement. Pilot is one of the quickest and most powerful SUVs in its class with an all-new 24-valve DOHC 3.5-liter V6 engine featuring an all-new direct injection system. Built in the engine facility at the company's auto plant in Lincoln, Alabama. This is the most powerful Honda V6 ever offered in the US market, producing 285 horsepower and 262 pound-ft of torque, both SAE net. Using domestic and globally sourced parts. The all-aluminum V6 features a unique block and low-profile cylinder heads with high tumble ports and a narrow 35-degree valve angle for better combustion. The low-profile design of the new DOHC cylinder heads also allowed a more compact rocker arm and hydraulic lash adjuster design. Honda engineers also did away with separate cam bearing caps, instead incorporating the caps directly into the valve cover itself. The result is a 30 mm reduction in overall cylinder head height. The new design also reduces the number of parts. New engine block and crankshaft. With its 60-degree V-angle, Pilot's new 3.5-liter V6 engine is inherently smooth and has compact overall dimensions that allow efficient packaging within the vehicle. The V6 has a die-cast lightweight aluminum alloy block with cast-in-place iron cylinder liners. Made with a centrifugal spin casting process, the thin-wall liners are high in strength and low in porosity. The block incorporates a deep skirt design with 4 bolts per bearing cap for rigid crankshaft support, minimized noise and vibration. A high-strength steel crankshaft is used for minimum weight. A cooling control spacer positioned in the water jacket surrounding the cylinders helps control warm-up and cylinder liner operating temperatures to reduce friction. Plateau honing of the cylinder lining further reduces friction between the piston skirts and the cylinder walls by creating a smooth surface. The 2-stage machining uses 2 grinding processes instead of the more conventional single-stage honing process. Plateau honing also enhances the long-term wear characteristics of the engine. New pistons. New shallow dish pistons help maintain stable combustion and contribute to efficiency. The lightweight pistons have a carefully optimized skirt design to minimize reciprocating weight, which reduces vibration and increases operating efficiency. Chrome nitride piston rings also help reduce friction for greater operating efficiency. Cylinder heads and valve train. The engine's 4 valve per cylinder heads are a double overhead camshaft design, with the cams driven by an automatically tensioned toothed belt. Made of low-pressure cast, low-porosity aluminum. Each cylinder head incorporates a tumble port design that improves combustion efficiency by creating a more homogeneous fuel-air mixture. New direct injection system. Pilot's new V6 engine features a new higher-pressure multi-stage direct injection system that enables improved emissions performance, along with high fuel efficiency. The new system features a compact, high-pressure, direct injection pump that allows high fuel flow, while variable pressure control optimizes injector operation. New multi-hole injectors deliver fuel directly into each cylinder at 30 MPa of fuel pressure, up from 20 MPa, for more efficient combustion without loss of power or torque. Variable cylinder management. Variable cylinder management, VCM, maximizes fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. VCM operates the engine with 3 cylinders in a wide range of situations, switching seamlessly to 6-cylinder operation when more power is needed. To prevent pumping losses, the engine computer closes the valves on the inactive cylinders. The SLHC 3.5-liter engine used in the previous Pilot accomplished this with VTEC, which locked the rocker arms, activating the valves together to prevent the valves from opening when VCM is active. To achieve the low profile of the new DOHC cylinder heads, this arrangement has been replaced with a more compact rocker arm and hydraulic lash adjuster design. When all 6 cylinders are in use, a pin in the valve lifter assembly is held in place with oil pressure. When VCM is activated under light cruise, the engine's electronic control unit, ECU, changes the oil flow path, allowing the pin to slide out of the lifter, creating a gap that prevents the valve from opening. When the ECU determines all 6 cylinders are needed, the system readjusts, sliding the pin back in place and reactivating the valves for full power. Improved emissions performance. To further reduce emissions, a new low-temperature active catalyst with a low level of noble metals drops NOx emissions and total hydrocarbon emissions, giving the Pilot an LEV3 SOLIV 30 rating. Responsive 10-speed automatic transmission. Performance is further enhanced by Pilot's first 10-speed automatic transmission. Paddle shifters are standard for manual control, making Pilot more fun to drive. Tuned exclusively for Pilot, the in-house developed 10-speed automatic transmission is refined and responsive. Compared with the previous 9-speed automatic, The 10-speed maximizes performance and fuel efficiency with a 3.3% wider overall ratio range with a 9% lower, numerically higher, first gear for optimal gear selection and an improved launch. The 10-speed automatic also features faster and smoother shifts with rapid 4-gear downshifts for quick passing power. Coupled with the improved 10-speed automatic is an all-new torque converter design that incorporates a pendulum damper, a first for a Honda V6 engine. The pendulum damper works by counteracting engine torsional vibrations for a particular tuned frequency. The pendulum, in combination with the traditional spring damper, allows maximized smoothness and efficiency in all conditions.